Is one of them?
Yes.
So we will come back on the 9th, on the 7th of September to consider the blue bail report and we should file elections.
And by that action alone, so that these people, if released, there is likelihood they will interfere with the evidence. Also, there is the aspect of the safety of these witnesses and the victims. Now, these three young men who are murdered, two are brothers, and one was their close friend. The family fears for their lives because also they are key witnesses in this matter.